Welcome to Emerald Meadows Landscaping, your premier destination for water feature design and installation services. We specialize in enhancing outdoor living spaces with custom water features in Noblesville, Indianapolis, Carmel, Zionsville, Fishers, Westfield, and the surrounding areas. Take a moment to browse through our inspiration gallery and see how we've transformed properties into relaxing natural oases, perfect for decompressing and entertaining family and friends. Ready to turn your vision into reality? Schedule a consultation with us today. Water features are beautiful ways to transform your Noblesville area property into a relaxing natural oasis. Whether you dream of a pondless waterfall, a water ecosystem, a pond, or a stream running through your landscape, Emerald Meadows Landscaping can bring your vision to life. Fountains and bubblers, pondless waterfalls, ecosystem ponds, water gardens. We have experience designing and installing them all. Adding a water fountain or bubbler to your outdoor spaces creates a relaxing environment. Ideal for small yards, patios, and decks, our team helps you choose the perfect design that complements your space. We consider your goals, help you select aquatic plants and fish, and design circulation and filtration systems for a chemical-free, low-maintenance oasis. Contact Emerald Meadows Landscaping at 317-426-8577 and transform your outdoor living experience with us.